Hi guys, this is Caitlin, aka Amanda's Nail Art. So, today I am going to be, should have grabbed this, reviewing a few things. So, first of all, we're gonna create a purple look with the Juvia's Place the Violets. So, let me show you this pretty palette. And then they also sent me a single eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Taj. Kind of like Taj Mahal. It's really pretty. I think I might add it into my look with the purples today, but we'll see. And then I just wanted to talk about a few products. So I had these three products. This is the Marc Anthony Frizz, or Bye Bye Frizz leave-in conditioner. And then this is the Nanette Lepore body lotion. And then I also use the House of Makeup nail polish, and this one is in the shade Flat White, which is 20. And then I also have this one to review, which didn't come in my Ipsy bag. This is the OPI nail lacquer. You can see it on my nails here. So yeah, I'm gonna put on my base and everything and do my lip scrub, and I probably will also do my face makeup, so I will be right back. Alright guys, so I put all my face products on, so then I went and opened up this Juvia's Place palette. It is bubble wrapped when you unwrap it, just like the Nubian palette was, and then I believe my Zulu palette was as well. So, this is what it looks like on the outside, super pretty as always. And then it does come with a little plastic sheet. So, this is what it looks like. It's actually really pretty. So, it looks like there's only 2 mattes and there's 4 shimmers. So, I don't think we will be using Taj at all today. I will make sure to use it in another video. So, I am going to take this matte purple right here. So we're gonna put that in our crease. Oops. Oh yeah, let me put my brushes out really quick. And I'll talk to you about what I think about the other products that I was going to talk about, if that makes sense. So, I'm going to take this round crease brush from BH Cosmetics. It's part of their Rose Quartz Festival. And I'm going to dip into that light purple shade in the palette. And we are going to put that in our crease, so you can just pop it up here. Wow, it's really pigmented. Going to bring it up. Now we're gonna blend, and then we're gonna put some more on. So I'm gonna take this BH Cosmetics number 6 brush, and this is also in the Rose Quartz set, and I'm going to blend this purple out. So you can blend up, and doing it in windshield wiper motions, and then I'm going to go back in with my round crease brush, pack it on once again. This is kind of like a mauve tone, or a mauve tone, so I'm just going to do that once again, and I think that looks pretty good. Alright. So, I am going to take this light purple shimmer right here. We're not going to cut our crease today, so I'm just going to pop this on. We'll see how the shimmer performs without cutting the crease, so just going to pop that in here. Wow, it's beautiful. And then we can try it wetting our brush, just in case you're someone who doesn't like to use your fingers, and that's okay. Hold on, let me find that brush. There it is. It was in the middle. So we're gonna pick the shadow up. It is a pretty creamy formula though, and it's not picking up very well on my brush here. So I'll try spraying this then, and we'll see if it works. So I'm going to get some more of that. Actually, I think it works without your fingers as well. You can wet a brush just like this, like a little packing brush, and it works pretty dang well. So this is how it's swatched. That is really pretty. It's like a lavender color, kind of like my hair was. So then I am going to not go into the darkest purple. I'm going to go into this one. I would say this one is the darkest purple. And then what's actually really nice is that they actually have a black, so you can do like a smoky look with this. And I think you can also do like a daytime look. So I will see what happens. So I'm going to take this brush. I wonder what shades. I think I wiped them off, so going to pick up some of that purple, and I'm going to wet this brush, and we'll see what happens. Where's my setting spray? Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm like, what the heck? Today was interesting. I went to a zoo. Oh wow, this is really pretty. I think I'm actually gonna go in with my finger, oops, sorry, instead. So, let me pop that on then. I do have contacts in today. Now, I did get a Moxie lash, but because I got a natural one, I feel like I'm gonna try it with a more natural, like, everyday makeup look. Just going to go in with that. Alright, and then this is how this one swatches. Although I'm gonna go in a second time. Beautiful. Sorry, this one is from my brush, so don't look at that one. But look at those, they're so pretty. Alright, and then what I think I'm gonna do is I'm going to take a pencil brush. This is my Eco Tools pencil brush. It looks like that. And I'm going to dip into that black. And we're gonna do a little smoked out with this. So I'm just packing this on. Kind of bringing it in instead of outwards. Maybe a little bit outwards. Then you'll want to bring some up in here to your crease area, just like that. And let me take this BH Cosmetics blending brush once again. I feel like the black turned a little dark purple, or maybe it is a dark purple, and that's okay too. I guess it could be a really deep purple as well. So I'm going to blend that out just a little bit. Alright, I think that looks really good. So then what I'm going to do is take the Ofra times Talia-Mar highlighter in Covent Garden. It looks like this, pinkish more so, but going to take that, and then I'm just popping this in my inner corner. This is also the highlight I am wearing on my cheeks today. I think I actually will have a list of all the products I use, the ones that aren't discontinued anyways, which is pretty much just my e.l.f. palette. So yeah, I think that looks okay. So I am going to do this on my other eye, and then I'm gonna add some eyeliner, yes, not eyelashes, eyeliner and mascara. And then for my lips, we'll do something a bit more pink, so I will be right back. Alright guys, so I am back. This is the finished look. So I used the Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner. It's a felt tip. And then this is the Almay mascara. It's the multi-benefit mascara. It's in the blue one. Safe for your contacts. It's approved by, I think it's ophthalmologists. And then this is the Milani lipstick, and this is in the shade Uptown Mauve. I figured pink and purple goes pretty well, so we kind of did like a full glam look today. So I think it looks pretty good. So I am going to set everything. So alright, and then first, I'm going to talk about this. So I think this is a really pretty palette. You can do a lot of different looks in here. There's a lot of shimmers, and then there's 2 mattes. You can also use other palettes though as well. So that I would keep that in mind if you're thinking of buying like the violets or the nudes or the berries. So I really like this one, and I'm glad I have it in my collection. I always had my eye on it, and then it was sold out. So then, let's talk about this nail polish. So I am wearing it on my toes, and I think it stays pretty good. It hasn't chipped off of my toes yet, and I just went to a zoo where my parents and I were driving in a golf cart, and I mean, I was wearing flip-flops and it was all muddy and stuff, and they still look pretty good. This is like a really nice color if you want to do French tip nails with it. So that's like, you can put a nude color and then you put white on the tip of your nails. Or just by itself is really pretty too. It's a really nice nude color, and I think it could work on everyone. And then I really like this OPI nail polish. Obviously, I'm wearing it right here. Sorry, my nails are kind of ratchet looking. But I think it's a pretty color. I bought this shirt and it's lighter yellow, so I bought this to match, so it doesn't necessarily match. But that's okay, you know, it's still yellow. And then, I really like this stuff. I would recommend this, especially if you have frizzy hair, because it keeps my hair pretty frizz-free and stuff. Like, this is, I wash it tomorrow, my hair. So this is the day I'm not washing it, and I think it looks pretty good. I even brushed it out and stuff. So yeah, also it makes your hair pretty soft too. I noticed that because I have bleached hair at the bottom because I dyed this purple a while ago. If you want to see my video on me dyeing my purple hair, I'll probably link it in this video just because I'm talking about it. So yeah, my hair's kind of dead and not soft anymore, so this actually helps a lot, bring back some life to it. It also protects during styling, so you can use a straightening iron or like a curling iron with this. I usually don't use heat products in my hair. And then this is I believe this is the last thing I'm reviewing today. So I really like this. It smells really good and I love the packaging. I think it's a good hand cream and it really does moisturize your hands. I have nothing bad to say about any of the hand creams that I gotten from Ipsy, and the reason why I always get hand creams is because my hands are always dry. I work at a gym, so I'm always working in like a washer and a dryer, and so it's just nice to like come home and put lotion on your hands so they're not dry. And I mean, I have pretty dry skin sometimes, even I guess in the summer. So yeah, that's why I really like hand lotions also. They all smell so good anyways. So those are my reviews on those few items. These three were from my Ipsy bag this month, and I really like them. I like all of them. So yeah, that was it for today. So I will be using Taj, probably in my next video, because this is a really pretty silvery color. And they were so cute. They sent this for free. It's also cruelty free, you guys. Because, you know, I like to try out different brands. And I do buy a lot of vegan makeup and stuff. And cruelty free makeup as well. Like, I mean, okay, canceled brands like Jeffree Star, Anastasia, BH Cosmetics. I'm pretty sure Morphe is too, but they're also canceled, so yeah. I believe Milani is too and stuff. But anyways, that's it. So, thank you guys for watching this. This is probably going to be a shorter video. And I will see you guys later. Alright, bye!